Starting around the 7th of May 2023, Chiliz most certainly is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.04% in truly most recent 1 hour in a sort of large manner. CHZ explicitly has a complete market cap of $870,425,637 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,449,402. Exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. This especially makes Chiliz truly positioning at 56 in the digital currency market, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz most certainly be fundamentally worth in 2023, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Chiliz a for the most part wise speculation or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally significant manner? Will CHZ cost truly outperform its unequaled high, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? These are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, showing how this makes Chiliz beautiful positioning at 56 in the digital money market. Chiliz value expectation 2023 in an unobtrusive way. As per the Chiliz conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the CHZ cost certainly is supposed to for the most part cross a truly normal value level of 16 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to explicitly be 15 cents in a sort of significant manner. Besides, CHZ can generally arrive at a really greatest value level of 18 cents, or so they generally thought. Chiliz value figure May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Chiliz in every practical sense is in a real sense anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of 13 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 13 cents and a for the most part least of 12 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. CHZ value gauge June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Chiliz essentially is supposed to for the most part arrive at a by and large least value worth of 13 cents. The CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of 14 cents with the exceptionally normal cost around 14 cents. CHZ value conjecture July 2023. The Chiliz estimate for July 2023 expects that the CHZ may in every practical sense arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 15 cents with a base cost of around 13 cents, or so they generally thought. Discussing the especially normal value CHZ can by and large stretch around 14 cents for July in a very huge manner. Chiliz value estimate August 2023. The Chiliz cost for August 2023 may explicitly arrive at an essentially least worth of 14 cents, while the extremely greatest gauge cost certainly is around 15 cents, which generally is very critical. The exceptionally normal cost for CHZ generally is generally anticipated to truly reach 14 cents in August 2023, which is very huge. Chiliz value estimate September 2023. The Chiliz cost for September 2023 may truly arrive at a kind of least worth of 14 cents, while the especially greatest gauge cost explicitly is around 16 cents in a significant manner. The very normal cost for CHZ is by and large anticipated to generally reach 14 cents in September 2023 in an unobtrusive way. CHZ value gauge October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chiliz in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense arrive at least value worth of 14 cents, which explicitly is very huge. The CHZ cost could arrive at an especially greatest cost of 17 cents with the genuinely normal cost around 15 cents in a huge manner. Chiliz value expectation November 2023. The cost of Chiliz in every practical sense is most certainly anticipated to by and large reach at any rate worth of 15 cents in November 2023 in a significant way. The CHZ cost could especially arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of 17 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 15 cents all through 2023, or so they fundamentally thought. Chiliz value expectation December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Chiliz cost basically is conjectured to generally arrive at a most minimal cost of 15 cents, showing how might CHZ cost in every way that really matters outperform its untouched high, or so they certainly thought. The CHZ cost could fundamentally arrive at a very most extreme cost of 18 cents with the essentially normal expected cost around 16 cents in a huge manner. Chiliz truly passed value examination in every way that really matters. Recent hours, the crypto all things considered, has been basically diminished by 2.14% in its essentially current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we explicitly look at the kind of current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz sort of is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, or so they explicitly thought. The CHZ explicitly is down to nearly 2.05% in the kind of most recent 7 days, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for commonly past kind of couple of days. The coin could have major areas of strength for really in any case. We don't generally feel that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment, or so they fundamentally thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ especially diminished by 12.493%, taking out an incredible genuinely normal amount of 1 cent from its in every way that really matters current worth in a very significant way. This unexpected down implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an excellent especially purchase and open door for fast speculation, which certainly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 7.98%, and the cost essentially flowed from a truly normal cost of 13 cents to in every practical sense greatest normal cost of 14 cents in the all things considered recent days. In all things considered, most recent 4 months Chiliz has shown a developing pattern in a significant manner. In this manner, we especially believe that comparative pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, which generally is genuinely huge, as per the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Chiliz generally is expanded from 4 months in a quite huge manner. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, or so they by and large thought. The coin in every practical sense is up by 11.73% with the for the most part greatest pretty typical cost of the coin was around 12 cents and the base in every way that really matters. Normal cost of by and large was around 11 cents and genuinely beyond 4 months, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz value figure 2023 FAQs. What will be Chiliz extremely worth in 2023, which really is very huge. The CHZ value sort of is estimated to generally arrive at a very greatest degree of 18 cents with certainly least cost of 15 cents toward the finish of 2023. Does Chiliz generally have a future, or so they most certainly thought? As far as value, Chiliz generally has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking especially. It truly is estimate that CHZ will increment in esteem in a significant way, as indicated by commonly unambiguous specialists and business experts. Chiliz can in a real sense hit the greatest cost of $5.20 till 2030, which is genuinely critical. Is Chiliz fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Chiliz's worth explicitly is supposed to generally keep on extending, as lack will in general basically energize cost rise, which for the most part is very critical, if it's not too much trouble. Note, there truly is a gamble to any speculation, showing that Chiliz genuinely passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been in every practical sense diminished by 2.14% in its most certainly current worth, or so they fundamentally thought. Just certainly put resources into what you can in a real sense achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the fundamentally greatest examination by and large conceivable.